Hello and welcome to Redwolf Corp. Welcome to Redwolf Production YouTube channel. This is Dmitry Redwolf, and today we'll discuss a project that we've done for a Russian brand in regards to the events and so on. So in this video, I'll showcase you the website that we've built, the backend of the website, what we can do for you at the end, and also to showcase you what we actually do, that our projects are real. So, welcome to again YouTube channel Redwolf Production. This is a website for a event-based business in Moscow, and they asked us for a website where client would come, buy their events services, and perhaps get in touch with them later on for private events. We started with a way worse website that we had because we've been past an older version, and this is what we came to be. So I'll go throughout the website, each block, how it works, what we've done with it, and then I'll go to inside info more to show you how it looks from inside like a backend. So when the client comes to the website, all they see the logo, the quote for the business, and moves. They can either click on this arrow, which is animated by us as well, or just scroll down. So as they move here, this is event page, event for the March. It will be changed on so on depending on the month. Here are the few tabs which are clickable. And I'll explain you in detail what they mean. So the first tab where the client sees, this is about events that are coming up soon. So I'm recording this on 13th March. This is 16th March, 24th, and 31st. Each event has two buttons, so one about and second to buy. If I click on about the event, there is information about the event. There's not so much edits because this is more of information wise for the clients to not confuse them. There's just information, the important info of what is included in the event, the price of the event, and also the date. Also here they have the possibility to buy the event entry or go back to the event calendar. So let's go back. Also, there's a third button which brings back to the home page overall. In the next tab, we have She Online. This is basically a subscription-based service for the events where clients come and they pay the certain amount. Then they join the online type of events where they have for this certain amount these type of events which are automatically are available for the person. This is set up for recurring payments, so anytime any person is buying this, this amount will be taken off their credit card every month. There's also Wednesday with She. This is about the same as online, but physical. So on-site events, they pay this certain amount every month, and everything that is in the event calendar is available for their pleasure. So in the next, we have private events, where I included the pictures from the private events, so clients understand what they might expect. Information that is made with SEO, included SEO. Here they can press on this. That's where they input information about what they need, their budget, their goal of the event, what type of atmosphere they want, how many guests will be there. And this is information is collected, then the business is contacting them directly with all this info, and they prepare the exact event details. Also, they can write to Telegram in case they don't want to fill in the form and they're more comfortable in getting in touch through messages or texts. After that, we have about the whole brand, what they mean, the philosophy of it, and also, as you can see on the right, we have dots. This is basically things that we can click. It's clickable, yes, and this takes us to different tabs and blocks on the website which is might be easier for some people, perhaps. But this is more of a design ad. Then we have the aesthetic. As you can see, this is a small design thing that we did, which is not straight line that transitions to the next block, but it's more of under the angle of like 35% maybe degrees, I'm sorry. Then we have a little store here where person is able to buy or know about the product that we provide. So the business provides certificates for event entry, also diffusers, and it will be adding also, like our team is adding candles for them. This is Photoshop like a PNG that we took out from the JPEG, and here each button is clickable. So if they want to edit to card, they can edit to card. For now, it's just connected with Telegram, so it's possible to get in touch with business directly. And if we press on about the product, there's a different page, like extra page for SEO as well. Plus, they can read more about the product, and the business can add more information about any other products they might release. So let's go back to the page. After that, there's an atmosphere about the events. We added the gallery as like a type of collage. Collage. How can I say collage? Photo collage. And then we have all events and past events. So all events, it would take us back to this block with current events and ongoing. The past events would bring us to the event page with past events. So here, the idea was to bring just highlights from each event. Here we added the most, I would say, memorable events and cool events with like a small title. And here are the descriptive, I would say, events with each gallery is different to another. So as you can see, there's one event and bunch of pictures from the event. This is made for clients to see and understand what type of events this business provides. And this is actually infinite gallery, as you can see. Let's go back to the main page. And here, see, it brings back to the main page. And I can just go back to the atmosphere and I have this block right away. See, this is useful. Then we have information about the author who created and the CEO of the events and this business, just a quote. And then we have reviews here. I really like how we did the reviews, that they're kind of messages. We decided to make more of a like less rounded squares to fit the design of the whole website, because we have the whole buttons. If you manage to find out, they're all like 5% angled. And then in the footer we have all the information, the political policies, everything like that. And also look at this is made by Redwolf Corp. As Instagram is kind of banned in Russia, we also needed to add this information right here. And this is the map of the website, so it's possible to press on anything here. Let's go back to the top. Also here, I have added the menu with all the information. This is also clickable to every single page and each single block. So for example, private events, it brings us back to here. So this is the whole website. You are more than welcome to visit it at chiccommunity.moscow. You can list it, check it out. Maybe it will inspire you. But yeah, this is what we've made. Let's go and check out the back end of the pages, how it looks. So this is the home page. I'll just scroll down. If you're interested, you can pause the video and look for yourself how it looks. We've made this website on Tilda. I really recommend this constructor. It's a really good web page constructor. So as you can see, as I was telling, so the Wednesday with she, there's two pages which are then connected with these blocks, and I'm able to even add more tabs. So 1 and 2 and 3 and 4, 5, 5 more blocks. I mean tabs are able to add here, which would be then scrollable. This web page is also adaptable for the phone, iPads, and so on, and smaller screens than on a laptop. And yeah, the tilde also is accessible in English. So if you're from outside of Russia, you can use it freely, and it's available all around. Here are some blogs that are for now closed. So they are either not needed for now, or they're older blocks that existed and not need to be deleted. So also when you're in Tilda and you want to preview your website, it's possible to press on a preview and even to preview on a mobile to see how it looks. So let it load up. So yeah, this is how it looks on a phone. Here you can drag. Unfortunately, I cannot drag because this is this is a laptop, but as you can see here, also changes everything. The flow of a website is very aesthetic, honestly. I really like how it turned out. It took us about 2 weeks to fully make the website, develop the website, and then extra 2 weeks for extra edits from the owner who ordered the website. So yeah, otherwise it's amazingly looking, and I believe we did the thing that we needed, that we were promised and created. So what's the price? What's the price of this website? In simple words, it wasn't too expensive for us to make because we had some designs beforehand, and this website was made for $950. So you're more than welcome to email us your needs if you have a website need, or you can DM us on Instagram, Redwolf_corp. And this is the backend of all pages, as you can see. Each page is SEO authorized, so you can see this is how it looks on in Google if someone finds it. Let's see here as well. And yeah, this is pretty simple. Header, footer. We even have a 404 error page, which is actually very important to have if you have a website. In case client is lost, they can go back to the main page. So yeah, and it went back to the main page of Tilda. Thank you very much. Anyway, I hope this video was useful. We will be making more videos like this where we explain the flow of the websites that we create, the websites overall, the projects that we create. In the future, we'll be making also video production reviews, how we've made the video to come to life, why it looks so good and why it looks so motionless, I would say, and beautiful. So anyway, thank you very much for watching. I hope you enjoyed. We'll see you in the next video, and I hope you have a great day. Goodbye.